Hello guys, welcome to my channel. It's your one and only creative Sash Joe, and for today's video I will be showing you how to make a birthday trail. So a friend of mine met with me some few days ago asking that she wanted this birthday trail, and I've gone around trying to find out where I can buy them. There is none, so I'm left to make them. So that's what I'll be doing now. So I'm actually going to the wood store to see if I can get I can get the wood to make this. So guys, if you've not subscribed, please do subscribe, like the video if you do like it, and don't forget to share if you have someone who wants to do such a thing. So guys, join me. So guys, I'm in the wood section trying to get the wood that I'll be using. Guys, I'm between using this wood, okay, and this particular one. But the problem I'm having is this one is quite expensive. Having a wood of just this length, is about 30 something euros. So it's quite expensive. But I think I'm going to use some of this, and then I'm going to use the base for the other wood. So at the end of the day, these are the woods I went for. So to make your wooden tray, you would need woods, nails, and you're good to go. Oh, not forgetting your hammers. After a long day's work, this is the final result with all the goodies placed inside our golden tray. Well guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a like, If you have any questions, leave your questions in the comment section below. And if you have not subscribed, please do subscribe. Until we meet next time, I remain your one and only creative Sash Joe. So guys, I'll be leaving you with the video of what this golden tray was actually used for. Hope you enjoy it. See you next time.